is Kai.
And my name is Naomi.
We are doctors from Little Medical School, Iowa!
Today we're going to be doing Christmas ornaments. One of them is going to be a craft and one of them is going to be an experiment.
Our medical topic is about gross stuff in our body like mucus. And we're going to be doing today fake mucus.
Ew, mucus!
It's just slime.
What's mucus, Dr. Kai?
Well, mucus is the stretchy, jiggly, slimy stuff in our nose, and they collect germs and dust, and they prevent all of those bacteria to come into our lungs.
So mucus is good for us.
Yes, they help our immune system.
Let's start with the craft because it's less messy. So for our craft, we will be doing this cute Christmas tree ornament.
Ding, 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 ding.
We will be needing some different sized buttons like these, and we also choose Christmassy colors. And to put on top of the tree, we put a star. We choose the star. Well, whatever you have at home, you can put on top of it. And we used
some pipe cleaners. We'll need pipe cleaners that we already folded.
I'll be starting by the trunk. And how I do the trunk is with these four little brown buttons. And we will put each pipe cleaner in the hole.
Like this.
Like this.
Then for our base, we're going to use 4 of these little circles, buttons.
Then we will also need 2 of these black buttons.
The black is green.
And also we will need these smaller little green buttons, and we will put 2.
And then we have to put all the stuff.
Next, we will be using 2 smaller buttons than the other green ones.
I've already done. And can I say? And then we can use color of
Straw.
for your ornament, for your top of the ornament. Oh wait, oh. And this time you have to put them in both of the slots.
And now our
Let's start to
little
shake it
Christmas
up.
tree is done.
Now let's shake it up.
Ding,
with
ding,
green. It's slime time. We'll need clear glue, water, contact lens solution, some food coloring, and baking soda. I'm gonna use some lights, but Naomi is gonna use glitter.
Let's get gross.
We will use half cup of clear glue. Yes, good. Don't. Tornado. Good. And now we're gonna put the glue into the bowl. Oh my God, this on my hands. And then we're gonna Grinch Slime. And then we mix. That's stuck on it. It looks like the ocean. It looks like the
It
galaxy.
looks like the galaxy.
Yeah,
It looks like the green Grinch galaxy. Looks so pretty.
I just love it. It's like a little color pen.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
And then we put the baking powder, soda. And then we put in. And then we mix again. Mixing never ends here. Wait, it's making. It's already making slime. It's already making it without even the contact wax solution. And I think this looks enough.
Now I will put my golden glitter. That seems enough. And then I'll start mixing again.
Oh my god, that looks already so shimmery. It looks like an ornament. Well, already. The Grinch
Already.
And then we will use some contact lens solution. Contact lens solution.
I think it's done. Yeah, that's done. Now you add some. Now it's
You
my
add
turn.
some.
Now it's my turn to put.
Now I mix. Seriously, it's already slime. I barely mixed and it's already slime. So quick. I have a question.
Yeah,
What
what's this question?
are the dry mucuses?
The dry mucuses are called boogers.
You know that when I was little, I used to pick my nose.
Yeah, me too. And you know what? Also, my little brother still does that.
Well, kids wants to know what's those picky things in your nose. They're trying to get them out and see.
And explore an adventure.
And this is not working.
Which mine is starting to form a tiny bit.
Which
is hurting my hand.
if yours is not forming well, see this little ball. If yours is not forming well, you can add some more contact lens solution.
I think mine is ready. I'm gonna take it out and see if it's ready.
Oh yeah, it's working.
Whoa.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's forming. It's forming. How does that feel like?
It feels like I'm touching a big chunk of snot, glittery snot. But it feels satisfying.
Can I feel it?
Sure.
Oh yeah. I'm judging.
It feels like
Oh my god, mine feels so
It
funny.
smells like nail polish. I'm gonna take my slime and put it in the ornament.
Well, I'm gonna take mine and wrap it on the light.
Lyle closed it for me, and I'm gonna sew it properly. Now my ball is ready.
First, let's turn off the lights.
Yay!
Wow, look how much glowing it is. It looks like it's in a glow-in-the-dark slime, but there's like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
school or no? Okay. Come on.
What's mucus, Dr. Kai?
Well, mucus is something. And we're gonna make our own fake mucus.
Ew, mucus!
It's just slime.
Those that collect